the Amazon Echo Show 5. Let's quest it out.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology and video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go. Hey friends, today we have the Amazon Echo Show 5. Echo Show is Amazon's addition to a growing lineup of smart displays. It's currently on sale for $59.99 at the time of this filming. Its regular price is $89.99, which I believe is still a great deal. Just like with the Google IoT devices, Amazon's pair with your phone via an app. Amazon uses the Alexa app. With the Echo Show 5, you mainly use the app for pairing it with other smart home devices to have voice control over them using Alexa, which is either by adding the device in the device section or using the skills and games section. However, the actual setup of the Echo Show is done on the device itself. The Echo Show 5 can do a number of different things, from controlling lights, thermostats, fans, vacuums, humidifiers, to playing music, watching Amazon Prime, listening to Amazon Audible, and making phone calls. If you want a detailed look at some of the things smart displays can do, check out our full review on the Lenovo Smart Display. As for the Echo Show, yes, you heard me right. You can use your Echo Show to make phone calls to anyone in your contact list. This is a newer feature of Alexa, because when they originally came out with the Echo Show 10 first generation, you could only call people who had the Alexa app on their phone. You can also do video chat or drop-in, which is a feature of connecting automatically to a specific Amazon Smart Display. This skill does need to be enabled on the Alexa app first. Also, when you have multiple devices, you can intercom between them. For instance, if dinner was ready, instead of shouting from the kitchen, you could just tell Alexa to announce it. Another cool thing about Amazon Alexa is that you can choose between 4 different wake words, which are Amazon, Alexa, Echo, or computer. And that's something that separates it from the Google display, since you can't change the wake words on their devices.
Subscribe to Quest for Tech.
Overall, we think the Echo Show 5 and all of the new software updates make a huge improvement from the first generation of the Echo Show. Here at Quest for Tech, we like to rate products that we review on a 4-star rating scale. And today, we are rating the Echo Show 5 with 4 stars. We absolutely love all the features it has to offer. It's easy to set up and is up and running in less than 10 minutes. The speaker quality is amazing for it being on the smaller size. We also like the fact that it stays connected better with our Echo Bee than Google does. Well friends, that's all we have for you today. If you want to see more in-depth look at the things a smart display does, you can check out our Lenovo Smart Display review. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep seeing us Quest for Tech, please subscribe to our channel. Also, if you liked watching this video today, hit that like button and let us know, do you use smart displays in your home, in the comments below. Again, thank you for joining us on this quest today, and remember, never stop questing.